Hello students, welcome in 12 Computer Science in paper 1. We started with the chapter Operating System from CS1, 12th standard, and in this we completed 7 to 8 session, and I hope you all are doing well. Now in this video we will see the virtual memory. Last time we did non-contiguous memory management, that is paging and segmentation, but this is non-contiguous virtual memory. Okay, it is also very much important for your board exam for 4 marks. This is also very important topic for board exam. Let us see. In memory management have 3 types, and we completed these first 2 types. Okay, that is in first contiguous real memory allocation, single contiguous fixed partition and variable partition, and in non-contiguous real memory allocation, paging and segmentation. Combined is not your syllabus. Okay, now in this session I am going to explain in non-contiguous virtual memory allocation, that is virtual memory. So we are having virtual memory in this session. So student, first of all we know what is virtual memory. What is virtual memory? In paging and segmentation, what is the function of in paging and segmentation? Already we have seen in last session, but see in short, number of process or programs divided into small pages of the same size. Then that pages are loaded into page frame. Sometimes maybe all frames are fill or pack. Sometimes maybe all frames are fill or pack. म्हणजे स्टुडंट्स सर्व फ्रेममध्ये म्हणजे प्रोसेस आर डिवायडेड इंटू सेम साइजेस ऑफ पेजेस अँड दॅट पेजेस आर लोडेड इंटू फिजिकल मेमरी. व्हॉट इज फिजिकल मेमरी? फिजिकल मेमरी इज डिवायडेड इंटू सेम साइजेस ऑफ फ्रेम. ओके, मीन्स दॅट पेजेस वॉट एवर divided into process in pages, that pages loaded into that frame. Okay, suppose all frames are occupied, then at that time what to do? Then at that time we have to use virtual memory. Okay, म्हणजे सर्व फ्रेम्स जर ऑक्युपाईड झाले असतील एका प्रोसेसमध्ये किंवा वॉटेवर की सगळ्या फ्रेम्स ह्या फिलअप झालेले असतील तर ॲट दॅट टाईम व्हर्च्युअल मेमरी कॉन्सेप्ट इज यूज्ड. ओके, सो दॅट वाय वी आर स्टडिंग दिस व्हर्च्युअल मेमरी? Let's see. It is very interesting topic. See first, what is the function or what is the actual function of virtual memory? See first point, virtual memory is techniques which allows the execution of processes that may not be completely in memory. Some part of it can be on disk. See, means student, when program or process is executed means first loaded into the where main memory, but in main memory may not be loaded completely, so some part on disk. Some part means some pages are loaded in main memory or some remaining pages are on disk, either in floppy disk or hard disk. Okay, means all frames in main memory are vacant. Okay, so some part are already loaded in main memory, but some parts are as it is, means on disk. Means before loading in main memory, that part of program load into the disk. Okay, so this is known as virtual memory. This is known as virtual memory. Understood, student? See once again, virtual memory is a technique which allows the execution of processes that may not be completed in memory. Some part of it disk means program is executed, means first loaded into the main memory, but in main memory may not be loaded completely, means all pages are not loaded in main memory. So some part on disk, either in floppy or hard disk, means सर्व मेन मेमरीमधील सर्व फ्रेम्स वॅकेट आहेत का नाही, काहीतरी पार्ट हा राहिलेला आहे. ओके, म्हणजे त्या प्रोसेसचे काही पेजेस रिमेनिंग आहेत, मीन्स मेमरीमध्ये लोड करण्या अगोदर राहिलेला आहे, मीन्स दॅट पार्ट ऑफ प्रोग्राम लोड इन टू द डिस्क. ओके, सो दिस इज नोन ॲज व्हर्च्युअल मेमरी. Now second point is, the main advantage of this is that the user programs can be larger than physical memory. User program can be larger than physical memory. Now you know physical memory. Physical memory means main memory. Okay, means it is divided into same sizes of frames. It is called as physical memory. Now student, every time user program may be not smaller than physical memory. Okay, now you know physical memory. So it is divided, physical memory divided into page frame. It is not necessary if user program is big, then also physical memory is big. म्हणजे युजरचा प्रोग्राम मोठा असेल तर फिजिकल मेमरी पण, फिजिकल मेमरीची साईज पण मोठी पाहिजे. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी. ओके, then at that time some part loaded into disk and remaining part load into physical memory. म्हणजे काही पेजेस हे मेन मेमरीमध्ये लोड होतात आणि काही पेजेस हा डिस्कवरच लोड होतात. ओके, सो दिस इज नॉट नेसेसरी. फिजिकल मेमरी इज लार्जर दॅन युजर प्रोग्राम. अंडरस्टूड स्टुडंट? Now next point is, virtual memory is difficult to implement and it decreases performance. It is difficult to implement. Means it is very difficult, means suppose some part of program in main memory and some part of program on disk. Okay, so it is difficult to manage when we want to run program, then all contents of program at one place. म्हणजे सगळा प्रोग्राम एकाच प्लेसवर असेल तर तो रन होऊ शकतो कम्प्लिटली, तर तो एक्झिक्यूट होऊ शकतो. सो ड्यू टू दिस डिक्रीजेस CPU परफॉर्मन्स. ओके, ड्यू टू दिस डिक्रीजेस द CPU परफॉर्मन्स. सो व्हर्च्युअल मेमरी इज डिफिकल्ट टू इम्प्लिमेंट अँड इट डिक्रीजेस परफॉर्मन्स. अंडरस्टूड? मीन्स इट इज सम पेजेस आर लोडेड into main memory and some pages are loaded as it is, means on this. So it is difficult to manage, means operating system is difficult to manage when suppose we want to run that program, then all contents of that program at one place. Okay, because of this some pages are in memory, some pages are in physical memory, or some pages are on disk. Due to this decreases CPU performance. Now next, a program is divided into pages and some pages are loaded into memory while rest remains on disk. While rest remains on disk. Student, in third point, virtual memory is difficult to implement and it decreases performance. When decreases CPU performance, at that time system use paging, segmentation or combine. Okay, these methods system are used, paging, segmentation and combine, when decreases CPU performance. Now next point is, program divided into pages and some pages loaded into main memory or rest on disk. In paging, number of programs divided into pages and page size should be same size. Okay, and it will be power of 2. It will be power of 2 means suppose one page size is 2 KB, then all pages are in 2 KB size. Okay, if our program is big, according to the program frame, some pages are loaded into memory, means main memory, and remaining pages are as it is, means on disk. Understood? See, program divided into pages and remaining pages are loaded on disk and some pages loaded into main memory. Whenever they are required, they are loaded in memory. See, whenever they are required, they are loaded in memory. Means suppose want to start program execution. Okay, suppose you want to start program execution. At that time, whatever pages on disk, that pages are loaded into main memory. Okay, म्हणजे एका प्रोग्रामचे पेजेस 10 पेजेसमध्ये डिवायडेशन झालं असेल, त्यातले 6 पेजेस हे मेन मेमरीमध्ये ऑलरेडी लोड आहेत. ओके, आणि 4 पेजेस हे डिस्कवर आहेत. आणि आपल्याला तो प्रोग्राम जर एक्झिक्यूट करायचा असेल तर सगळे टोटली म्हणजे 10 पेजेस टोटली लोडेड इनटू मेन मेमरी. सो ॲट दॅट टाईम एक्झिक्युशन ओनली डन. ओके, सो इट इज व्हेनेवर दे आर रिक्वायर्ड दे लोडेड इनटू मेन मेमरी. म्हणजे जेव्हा तो प्रोग्राम रन करायचा असेल ॲट दॅट टाईम सिस्टीम रिक्वेस्ट दॅट पेजेस वॉट एव्हर loaded on disk, that pages required loaded into main memory. Now student understood concept of virtual memory. What is the function of virtual memory? Okay, means virtual memory in simple statement, that is imaginary memory. It is also called as imaginary memory. Okay, now virtual memory we have to learn number of terms. These terms ask for 4 marks in board exam. Any 4 terms ask in board exam for 4 marks. So see, first term, locality of reference. First term is locality of reference. Now see, in locality of reference, it is forecast whether a page is likely to be referenced in the near future based on its past behavior and hence may be removed from memory. See, locality of reference means it reference in the near future and based on its past behavior. Why? Because reference in the near future. Why? Because physical memory size is limited. Physical memory size is limited, means number of frames are limited. Okay, so in locality of reference, check that page which is not used in maximum time, just use single time, not use at second time. Okay, means it is called as behavior in past. Mean past मध्ये पेजचा यूज खूप कमी वेळा झाला आहे. such thing or such kind of this operation of pages will be removed from main memory. Okay, means frequently used pages, only those pages are loaded into main memory. So it is called as locality of reference. And the student, suppose physical memory means main memory. Main memory means it is divided into frame size. Okay, प्रोग्राम फ्रेममध्ये मीन्स मेन मेमरीमध्ये जर अवेलेबल स्पेस नसेल, जर एखादा प्रोग्राम रन करायचा लिमिटेड फ्रेम्स आर अवेलेबल, देन सिस्टीम चेक विच पेज आर नॉट यूज्ड इन मॅक्झिमम टाइम्स, इट इज ओनली सिंगल टाइम और नॉट यूज्ड ॲट सेकंड टाइम, दॅट पेजेस सिस्टीम आर डिलीटेड. ओके, म्हणजे त्याचा पास्टमध्ये किती वेळा, खूप कमी वेळा युटिलाइज झाले तो डेटा, असा डेटा सिस्टीम ॲटोमॅटिकली डिलीट करते. सो सच काइंड ऑफ पेजेस विल बी रिमूव्ह फ्रॉम मेमरी. इट इज फ्रिक्वेंटली यूज्ड, सो दोज पेजेस आर लोडेड इनटू memory, it is called as locality of reference. Now second term is page fault. Page fault, when a page which is not in main memory is a reference, then page fault arises. At this time, the operating system loads that pages in main memory. So students, see, when process is run, process means program is run. See, suppose same program. Some programs are in physical memory. Some programs means some frames. See, this is a physical memory, okay, means main memory, or some pages are here, suppose 2 3, already these are occupied, okay. Now these pages, 2 pages are on this physical memory and some remaining pages are on disks, okay, remaining pages are on disks. So at same in disks, then when a process is executing, then only few pages are gone. Means suppose one process is run, suppose process 1 is run. This process 1, 7 pages are there, okay. So here 2 pages are accommodated on physical memory and 5 pages on disk. Then when these processes are run, then totally these 5 pages are loaded into physical memory, okay. So but operating system means system got only few pages, okay, system got only few pages. Then disk outside, some pages are outside the main memory, not in main memory means on disk. So when program to start run, at that time system gets some part outside the memory and this is known as page fault, okay. Means when system run this process, at that time system gets some, means this process are not completed, something is missing in this process, okay, some data are missing in this program. So some pages are outside the physical memory, means on disk, and that pages are called as page fault. That pages is called as page fault. Understood, student? Now next point is working set. Next is working set. Now in working set, the set of pages in physical memory which are actively referred to any moment is called as working set. Working set helps the page replacement policy, means physical memory which are actively referred to any moment is called as working set. Means student, whatever pages are made up for process, means one process can make 10 pages, okay, totally that process divided into 10 pages. That pages are loaded into physical memory. That pages are loaded into physical memory. That is complete set of pages for one process, that all pages are loaded into physical memory. So at any time execution to be start, means complete set of one process totally loaded on this physical memory, at that time system to start execution of that process. So such kind of process or pages are working set, okay, means such kind of process or pages are working set, because we are having total set of pages for a process. So this is known as working set. Means one process, suppose one process have 10 sets, that totally 10 pages loaded into main memory, that total set of one process is called as working set of pages. Understood, student? Now next term is page replacement policy. Page replacement policy. Now page replacement means, see, if there is no page frame in main memory, to accommodate new page, the operating system overrides some existing pages. See, means in main memory is not available frame, okay. So operating system overrides some existing pages. These pages are determined by page replacement policy. Till, see here, means number of page frame in main memory to accommodate new pages. The operating system override existing pages. Okay, so here we have number of process and we want to execute that process, then all pages are loaded into physical memory. Okay, suppose we want execute some process, then that process whatever pages divided into that process, whatever total pages are loaded into physical memory. So due to that our physical memory is filled. Okay, so all the page frame are occupied. Suppose another process I want to execute, then what to do? Then operating system do which are existing page, overwrite on it. How is the overwrite? Using locality of reference. Overwrite some existing pages means which locality of it checks, system checks the locality of reference of that page. Which pages are rarely used, which pages are totally not used, which are in already executed. Okay, that pages are removed or that pages are removed from physical memory. So it is called as page replacement policy. Understood, student? Suppose, see, in physical memory, this is physical memory. In physical memory, total pages are, total frames are occupied, okay, for P1 process. And suppose another process are execute, and this process, suppose 4 pages are divided, okay, total pages for this process 2 is 4 pages. So I want to execute this process 2, but in physical memory page frame is not available, means all page frame are already filled. So at that time system check the locality of reference, means check which page is not used rarely, which page are already executed, and that pages are removed from this physical memory, then these pages are loaded in physical memory. This is called as reference page replacement policy. Understood, student? Now next is dirty page. A page which is modified after it is loaded in main memory is called a dirty page. Modified means before overwriting the operating system. Before overwriting the operating system, to check the page is modified. Okay, to check the page is modified. If we replace the page or suddenly to change or replace the page, that content of page, which page we cannot use in future. Okay, so such kind of page is dirty page. Miss student, see, page is loaded from disk into main memory. At that time, to check page contents are changed or modified, that changes are not loaded into main memory, so that page called dirty page. Understood? Means in page is loaded from disk to into memory. At that time system to check that page contents are changed or modified, that changes are not loaded into main memory, so at that page is called as dirty page. Now next term is demand paging. Next or last term in this virtual memory terms is demand paging. In demand paging, a page is loaded in main memory only when it is demanded. Means in physical memory, in demand paging, some pages are in physical memory and some pages are on disk. Okay, so pages are loaded into memory from disk when it's demanding. जर सिस्टीमनी डिमांड केलं तरच डिस्कवरचे पेजेस हे मेन मेमरीमध्ये लोड होतात. मीन्स ॲट दॅट टाईम ऑफ एक्झिक्युशन सिस्टीम कॉल थ्रू ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टीम that says page loaded into main memory from disk. This is known as demand paging. Okay, this is known as demand paging. म्हणजे सिस्टीम कॉल करतं, सिस्टीम डिस्कला सिस्टीम थ्रू डिस्कवरचे पेजेस हे मेन मेमरीमध्ये लोड करते. इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज डिमांड पेजिंग. इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज डिमांड पेजिंग. अंडरस्टूड ऑल टर्म्स ऑफ व्हर्च्युअल मेमरी. ओके. So, end of this session 9. Thank you, student.